Hello YouTube, welcome to Lowrider Cruise. And today, happened today. Lowrider problems. Not good. Fail. Lowrider fail. Beautiful lowrider. Oh, hot open again. Is this again? Oh, good ride. Lowrider Cruise. Hot open. Oh, it's looking like a problems.
Hey, bully. Hey, bully. Go ahead, bully. Come on, Greg.
Bullying and this working. We're ready to have it.
Hey Max, how you doing, buddy? I beat our requirements, though, don't I? Got beat our requirements? I'm not gonna pass what they said. Where's this my 500 at though? Ain't no weight on that bumper. Look at all up in there. Ain't no weight up in there. None of that. Yeah, go check our bumper. I'm just telling you, ain't none of that up in there. Go check our bumper. My car don't start off like this. Go right over easy. Look, my car not gonna do this. My car going like this. Not this verse. It's gonna do this verse. My car gonna do this verse. Boom. They gonna do this first. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
My car ain't gonna try to figure out where the phone is.
Sound good.
I'm waiting for 500. Y'all ain't the beef. Y'all the next.
Okay, that's what I'm saying.
I want 500.
That's what I'm saying.
Y'all the next beef.
Go get your money. This is not street.
I just wanted to see what
That's street. That's street. That's street. This ain't street.
Huh?
I said this ain't street.
It's not street. Street is street. Street is stop.
Lowrider bacon, red lowrider. Ooh, strelkasta.
I'm talking about stop. That's not stop. Make sure it's next. So show them I'm not stopped yet.
This ain't stock.
What's not stopped?
That ain't stock.
What's
that
not
ain't
stock?
stock.
That's
Stop
stock now.
Street car is street car.
That's
That's not
stock
street
now.
car though. That's not a street car.
Look at
Let's
yours.
go.
Let's
Let's
go.
go. Let's go.
Real boneyard fine. I can get out there. Come on. Hey, look at the junkyard. You see the junkyard? That's not land.
Clean helping and this working, yeah.
He's shaking this shit. He's shaking this shit, homie. Yeah, that ain't it. That's not enough. Look at the roof. Yeah, look at the roof on that.
Come on. Sky his ass nasty. That's one down. Huh? Hey. That's one down.
Oh, beautiful bumper. Lowriders. Oh, good heaven. What's this beautiful? Wow, whoa. Good color. Oh, beautiful paint job, perfect. Yes, I'm there. Beautiful interior. Oh, good ride. Oh, beautiful. Lowrider. Colorway. Okay, thank you for watching. Click like if you like and subscribe. Bye bye.